32 species in genus Westringia. Westringia, a love affair with Australian natives. My name is Ferb Vu, and I have a confession. I'm utterly captivated by Westringia. These unassuming Australian shrubs, with their delicate leaves and profusion of flowers, have completely stolen my heart. Maybe it's their resilience in the face of Australia's harsh climate, or perhaps it's the way they effortlessly blend into any garden setting. Whatever the reason, I find myself drawn to their understated beauty, discovering the diversity of Westringia. Westringia, a genus belonging to the mint family, Lamiaceae, boasts a diverse range of species. Each one possesses unique characteristics that make it special. Westringia fruticosa, coastal rosemary. This popular species thrives in coastal areas, tolerating salt spray and sandy soils. Its gray-green foliage and white or pale lavender flowers make it a favorite for hedging and borders. Plant FAQs. Westringia fruticosa. Westringia longifolia, long-leaved Westringia as the name suggests. This species has long, narrow leaves. It's a hardy shrub that can withstand dry conditions and is often used for screening or windbreaks. Westringia glabra, smooth Westringia. This species is known for its smooth, glossy leaves and compact growth habit. It's a versatile shrub that can be used in rockeries, borders, or even as a ground cover. See full list at monsteraholic.com. Why I love Westringia. My admiration for Westringia stems from several factors. First and foremost, they are incredibly low-maintenance plants. They thrive in Australia's harsh climate, requiring minimal watering and fertilization once established. This makes them perfect for busy gardeners or those who want a water-wise garden. Secondly, I adore their versatility. Whether you need a hedge, a ground cover, or a feature plant, there's a Westringia to suit your needs. They can be pruned into formal shapes or left to grow naturally, adding a touch of wildness to your garden. But perhaps what I love most about Westringia is their resilience. They can withstand drought, frost, and even coastal conditions. They are tough, adaptable plants that can thrive in even the most challenging environments. Westringia in my garden. In my own garden, Westringia plays a starring role. I've used Winnie Abbey gem to create a dense hedge that provides privacy and wind protection. Its gray-green foliage and masses of white flowers create a calming and elegant backdrop. I've also planted Westringia fruticosa along a pathway, where its compact growth habit and tolerance of foot traffic make it an ideal choice. The occasional pale lavender flower adds a subtle touch of color. In a more exposed area of my garden, I've planted Westringia longifolia. Its long, narrow leaves create a soft screen, filtering the harsh sunlight and providing a haven for birds. A final word. Westringia may not be the flashiest plants in the garden, but their understated beauty and resilience have won me over. They are the backbone of my garden, providing structure, texture, and year-round interest. If you're looking for a tough, adaptable, and beautiful plant for your Australian garden, I highly recommend giving Westringia a try. You might just find yourself falling in love with them too.